Welcome to Streaming Deluxe. My name is Mr. Ernst and welcome to a new video in my series Gaming Meets the Finance Market. Oh my god, my friends, I mean all of you know the last 2-3 weeks have been really crazy, a crazy roller coaster on the markets. And I can show you here the chart. The chart is that's the Nasdaq composite. And here you can very nicely see how we were dropping from 9,800 points down to 6,860 points, so almost 3,000 points in the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq is the index for technology companies in the US. A little disclaimer before I continue, this is I'm not a financial advisor, this is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just a YouTuber. Yeah, well, my friends, so I mean, I would say we are still in the middle of this crash or this correction. Now it looks a little bit more like a correction since we are back at what can be, which were like we've seen the last time in mid-October 2019. So at this values. But of course, now there are a lot of chances to buy your favorite gaming stocks. And in this video, we're going to check out where your favorite gaming stocks are at the moment. Maybe there's one or another chance when you're a bit more courageous to jump into the market and make your purchases of gaming stocks. But of course, I will also say make your own research. No one knows if we were even dropping lower. Maybe this is just a little bounce in the bear market. So no one knows this, of course. So make up your own mind and never trust any YouTubers when it comes to stocks. I mean, that's for sure. Alright, let's jump to one of my favorite stocks, and I have to say that actually, and this is Activision Blizzard, disclaimer, I own it. Activision Blizzard, I mean, it's pretty amazing how they were managing this correction. So the chart not available. Yeah, then we check this chart. So yeah, this was the correction in March 16th, and now Activision Blizzard is more or less back. If you see it here in the one, oh, why is this not available? Yeah, when you see Activision Blizzard on the 5-year chart, you see it's like since its little crash in September 2018, it is constantly going up. So it's one of my positions that's still very nicely in the plus. And when you see now in the 1 month, let's see here in the 6 month chart. Okay, it was coming down from 63 to 52. This hurts a little bit, but people were buying nicely back. So the Call of Duty Modern Warfare Warzone Battle Royale is a huge success. So Activision Blizzard. So I'm confident. I'm holding the stock. I'm confident that we will see like maybe even the $80 again. And then the next stock, my friends, is Nintendo. Oh my god, so video game stocks in general, maybe also this needs to be said. So since a lot of people are now confined at home, stay at home, video game stocks were very successful. A lot of people play video games, buy a lot of video games, play any sort of games on any sort of console, PCs, etc. So I mean, it's just naturally the case when you stay at home that you played on a lot of games, of course. So yeah, Nintendo, as I said, so Nintendo was not really badly hit. I mean, it was hit to $39.70 from $50 to $40, let's say, and it's back at this at those $50. So nice upward trend since 2015 again. Maybe we're trading a little bit sideways. Let's see how it develops the next weeks and months. So, and then Electronic Arts. So Electronic, I'm making away those lines are a bit crooked. Electronic Arts also jumped nicely back, also almost like nothing happened. So we were falling down to 80.70 from 113. But I would also say we might see again a little drop, but it seemed that actually since the drop in December 2018, where a lot of video game stocks have been hit, that we are also trading back here. Then the next stock is Take-Two Interactive. Of course, was also falling, but is also nicely back, almost back at the same height. So yeah, in January we were like on the top, but we are like what we've seen before this little crash happened. Also nicely trading back. Then let's have a look at Ubisoft, traded in Paris, a French stock. So, but of course every one of you knows Ubisoft games, Assassin's Creed, etc. Well, I would say we're like more or less at the average here from around 68, 69 euros, so not dollars. So let's see if we fall back a little bit again, but then there's might be chances to profit from a nice bounce back, always around 10 to 20%. Or if in general the overall market is strongly coming back. No one knows this, of course. I mean, it's all speculation, and it's your crystal ball if you would have one. But I would say nicely now. Let's see if it stabilizes high here together with the overall market. So if the overall market will be volatile, then Ubisoft will also be volatile. So also take this into account also for the other stocks. And then of course Capcom. I mean Capcom. Hi, what's going on with Capcom? It's amazing. Someone I don't know how it happened, but Capcom is actually since 2018. It's just going up. It's extremely volatile. I mean, it's now just $3, but to the overall market cap, it's a high percentage, so it's extremely volatile. Very difficult to say if it continues. I mean, I can't tell you this, of course, but we are overall above the 50 moving average line and way above the 200 days moving average line, so looks not too bad for Capcom. I mean, the question is Capcom, what games are they bringing out? Is it just another Resident Evil, another Street Fighter, or are there some other substantial games coming out? I'm not so sure about this. And then another video game stock a lot of people are interested in CD Projekt Cyberpunk. We're still waiting. Game is not coming out now so quickly since we're in the crisis, but oh my goodness, so since the crash it won 52% again. I mean, okay, the crash might have hurt some investors, but we're back at the all-time high. I mean, that's 50%. I mean, that's like crazy. Like people were shoveling money into CD Projekt, but nothing more to say. If it's continuing like this, honestly, guys, I can't tell you. I really can't tell you. I don't see that CD Projekt, they need more games than just 1-2 huge projects. They need more games, but that's my personal opinion. Then Zynga, making mostly mobile phone games, also nicely back, profiting as well from people sitting at home and playing a lot of games. So, well, it's like nothing happened. Good question is if Zynga in general continues going up again, or is continuing to rise. So it's so difficult to say. I mean, overall video games, I'm bullish on video game stock, definitely. I mean, video game stock, esports, etc., mobile phone games. Why not? But I would keep my feet down for the moment. Then another game Tencent Holdings Limited, another stock I'm invested in. I mean, it was very volatile over the years, so the Chinese market in general has been volatile, but I can see some trend. With the 200 day moving average. So we might see the $60 soon again. Why not? I mean, the crash was also not too hard for Tencent. has also not been too much affected. Also not in China when they had their quarantine there. So I'm continuing to be bullish on Tencent. I mean, it's a great Chinese internet company, so check it out. So, but of course, a lot of people don't like it so much. Oops, what's going on here? Yeah, maybe I should. So yeah, maybe some words to Nvidia. So I sold Nvidia at $289. So I made like 100% on my Nvidia investment. So I was very happy. This was before the crash came. So maybe that's a better, yeah. This is a better shot. So I sold it somewhere here, and then I was very much upset that it's still going up more. But in the end, it was not too bad decision. I mean, I got my money out and could invest it in other stocks. Yeah, but we are at the same height like before. So I expect Nvidia to continue to go up. So maybe we will lose. Maybe we'll lose a little bit again. So, but sideways trading also very much dependent on the overall market. And then a new stock that I bought is Microsoft. Microsoft, one of the biggest companies, of course, in the world. It's not a specific gaming stock, but I just bought it as a software conglomerate, as one of the biggest companies and the secure companies. I mean, yes, they dropped my friends. Yes, they dropped my friends, but also I'm already in the plus, so I tried to buy here. In this range, and I'm holding Microsoft. I mean, it's an amazing company, but the market cap is extremely high. All right, so yeah, that's my my view on the markets at the moment after this crash, and my view on the gaming stock. So I hope you enjoyed it. Write me a commentary. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever, I don't care. Just interaction with the community is important, and then we will see how this all will develop. I mean, for now, if we look back to 2018, I was making videos about the crash on the Nasdaq, and you see where we were coming up. So 9,800, again a little crash, now we're going up again. I mean, that's the stock market. Volatility is key if you know how to play it, and if you keep your emotions out of it, so you can actually make a lot of money. All right, thank you very much for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.